Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Now we will see problems on merge sort. Okay, problem on merge or merge sort. Okay, so on merge sort. So I have taught you merge sort also. Now we will see problems on merge sort. Are you able to recall merge sort? Is it in your mind or have you forget it? Because in merge sort we have seen the time complexity, average case, worst case, best case is always going to be log n only, n log n only. Now see the first question. Okay, see here also the questions will be have some trick. You have to first think, then only you should give the answer, not randomly. Okay, you take some time, then you should give. Now see, given n element, first question, n elements, given n elements, merge them. See here I am saying you to merge them into one sorted list using merge procedure. Using into one sorted list using merge procedure. Okay, what is the time complexity? What is the time complexity? What is the time complexity? See, first see the question and try to understand. If you are having n element, like if you are one element, two element, then three element, then four element, five element, six element, like seven, like this, you are having till n element. You are having till n element. See, whenever they will ask you to merge element, so you will use two-way merging. Means two-way merging and three-way merging is there. Two-way merging means we are going to take two lists. We are going to merge two lists. Two-way merging means we are going to merge means we are going to merge two lists. Okay, we are going to merge two lists. If I will say three-way merging, then we are going to merge three lists. Okay, three-way merging means three lists. Four-way merging means four lists. Okay, so whenever in gate exam they will not say you that whether it's a two-way merging or three-way merging, so you will use two-way merging. Okay, now see, in this way you have to merge these two. And whenever a list which is having a, you see, you assume that every element is a one list, and whenever a list is having only one element, then it is a sorted only, then if you will merge these two, you are going to get one list which is going to have two element. Okay, now again you are going to have to merge and you are going to have two element this way. So here also you will get something, okay, that I am not showing. Now again you will merge these two lists. Now you are going to get four element. So in this way it will keep on going, and you are going to get a list which is containing n element. It is having 2, then 4, then 8, like this, then 16. This it will keep on going till n element. Please let me know whether it is clear or not. So you are doing two-way merging. In every time you are taking, see here they have told you that you are having n element, and I'm assuming that one element is a list. I'm assuming that it's a list. So n list I am having, and I'm doing two-way merging, and I'm merging the two list. I'm getting a list which is containing two element. Then I'm merging these two lists. these two lists. This list is having two element, this list is having two element. Then after merging, I am going to get a list which is having four element. Then again I am merging this and I will get a element which is going to have four, sorry, 8 element and 16 element. Like this, I will get one list which is going to have n element, which is going to have n element. And you know that whenever you will merge, what is the time complexity of merge procedure? What is the time complexity of merge procedure? Please tell me. I have taught you this thing. Merge का time complexity क्या है? This is also 2, this is also 2. So whatever will be the number of elements, so in a, if you'll see as overall you are going to do n comparison and n copy, because here you are going to do one comparison and see one two comparison and two copy. Here whatever will be the size of the array, that many comparison and that many copy you are going to do. So here two comparison two copy, here two comparison two copy, here two comparison two copy. So if you will see here, you are having total how many element? N elements. N comparison n copy, n comparison n copy. So just to move one level above, you are doing big of n time complexity. Overall I am saying, overall I am saying. Please let me know whether it is clear or not. So just to go one level up, it is taking time big of n. Now from here to go here, it is again having total, you are having n element. So n comparison and n copy you are going to do here. Just to move one level up, again you are going to do n comparison n copy. Like this, like this. In every step to go one level up, it will take big of n, it will take big of n. Please let me know whether this concept is clear or not. So write the explanation. Okay, so you draw this diagram and write the explanation now. So assume that, see, they have not given that n list, they have given n element. So I assume that every list is containing one element, because merge we can apply when we are having a list of a sorted list. And if a list is having one element, it is already sorted. That it has, assume that it has n list, and each list have, and each list have one element, and each list have one element, and each list have one element. Every list, every, it is e, okay, it is looking like sigma. Every list have one element, every list have one element, so it is sorted, so it is sorted. Okay, we are going to we are going to we are going to use we are going to do two-way merging. We are going to do two-way merging means we are going to take two lists and going to merge. Two-way merging means we are going to take two lists, we are going to take two list and going to merge, and going to merge. Okay, so in every label it is doing big of n. So in every label, so just to move one level up, it's time complexity. Just to move one level up, so just to move one level up, so just to move, so let me first write, I will give you time. Okay, so just to move one level up, it is taking big of n time, as big of n for comparison on comparisons, and big of n for tell me, for big of n for comparison, big of n for copy. So overall time complexity is big of n plus n is going to be big of n, and in total we are having, and in total we are having big of log n as height of the tree. So we have to go till big of log n. So overall time complexity is equal to n into big of log n. Yeah, good evening, Nisu. It's going to big of n log n. Going to big of n. Okay. Now you write the first this slide. If you're done with that, then you can let me know. Then I will give. Then I will go to the next slide. Okay. Now see next question. So given log n sorted list. So I've given you log n sorted list. Each of size in log n. So I've given you total log n sorted list, each of size n log n. What is the time complexity? What is the time complexity? What is the time complexity required to? What is the time complexity required to merge? Them. Required to merge them into one single one sorted list. One sorted list. Just write one. Think in that way only. That approach only. Okay. One sorted list. Okay. So I've given a log n sorted list. So given log n sorted list. So here you are first you write that you are having a log n sorted list, each of size n log n, each of size n log n. So you I've given you log n sorted list, each of size n log n. So total element how many you are having? It's going to your n. N elements you are having. Okay, n element you are going to have. I have given you total number of list is log n. Each of size is n log n. Total element is n. Okay, total element is n. So I have told you that whatever will be the number of element, that is going to be the time complexity of merge. So merge is going to take big O of n time. So just to go one level up, it will again take big O of n. Now again we have to find how many level we have to go. Means what is going to be the height. Am I clear? So they have given log n sorted list. You are having log n sorted list, each of size n log n, each of size n log n. Now they are asking what is the time complexity required to merge them into one sorted list. So you are having, log n sorted list. This is till you are going to get log n sorted list. You are having log n sorted list. Each of size is n log n. Each of size is n log n. Each of size is n log n. So total element you are having is log n. Total element you are having is log n. Sorry, n, because that will get multiplied. Log n will get cancelled. Okay, like this it will go. Yeah. Now you are going to merge these two list. You are going to get this way. You are going to merge these two-way merging. Then this way two-way merging. Similarly here also you are going to get two-way merging. So now this list will have the size as 2n log n, 2n log n, 2n log n. So height is now log 2 base 2. Now 2n log n, 2n log n. Now again it will go. Now you are going to get 4n log n. So you are going to have here log 4 base 2. So similarly it will have 4n log n. Okay. Similarly it will go, keep on going. So it will have then 8n, 8 base 2. It will go till here a list which is containing n element. N element. So it will have n log n, then log n. Here it was having n. It was having n log n. Then when you merge, then it become 2n log n, then 4n log n, then 8 log n. Similarly, you have to make into n list. It will be log n into n by log n. See this is with this it is increasing. With this it is increasing. Here it is having 2, then 4, then 8. 8 of that it will keep on going to log n log n. See, this log n and this log n will get cancel out and you will get n element. So height will go till, and you are taking whatever is here, log of that, log of 8, log of t. So you will take log of log n base 2. Are you getting that? So here height will go till log of log 2 of log n, log of log n. Am I clear? Please let me know whether it is clear or not. Please let me know whether it is clear or not. Please let me know whether it is clear or not. Just to move, just to move one level up, we need to do, we need to do, we need to do big O of n time. We need to do big O of n work, because merge is going to take big O of n, because total number of element it is going to your n only. We need to do big O of n work. Are you getting that? See here, it is having n log n, n log n. So total element here you are having n, then again here n, again here n. Now this list is having a one list which is having n element. Okay, so in every, so just to move one level up, we need to do big O of n. So overall time complexity, so overall time complexity is going to your, so overall time complexity is going to your big O of n into height of the tree, how much you are going. So it's going to be your log of log n base 2. So it's going to be your n log of. Am I clear to all of you? Please let me know. Now I will take another question on this pattern. On this pattern, I will take another question. Now I want that you people give me the answer, and at last I will take two gate questions. See, at after completion of sorting, I will take the gate previous last 33 years gate question. But while doing the problems, we are even taking some of the gate questions so that you will able to relate. Okay. Now I am saying n strings. Now I am saying n strings, each of length n string, each of length n are given. Then what is the what is the time taken? What is the time taken to to sort them sort them using two-way merging? Using two-way. You think first. So I have given you n strings, each of length n. I have given you n strings, each of length n are given. Then what is the time taken to sort them using two-way merging? So how many strings you are having? I am saying here that you are having n strings, and each of length is having n. So total string, how many you are having? N square strings you are having. N square strings. N square strings. Is this is clear? You are having n string, each of length each of length n. So total string you are having n square. Total strings you are having n square. So means you are having like each is having n. Each is having n strings. Here n strings. Then here again n strings. Then here again n strings. Okay. And how many strings you are having? Each string length is having n. How many? Till n. N. Okay. So when you will merge, here you will get 2n string. Here you will get 2n string. So total strings you are having n square. Total strings you are having n square. So just to go one level up, you have to do n square work. Then you are going to get 4n string in one list, 4n string, then 8n string, then 16n string, then n square, n square. So here log 2 base 2, log 4 base 2 height, log 8 base 2, log 16 base 2. So it's going to your like this. So it's going to be n into n into n. Then only you are going to get n square, n into n. Are you getting it? Please let me know whether it is clear. See, same way I am doing. The way I have did the previous one, same way I am doing. Here you are having a n strings. This is having n strings. Each is having of length n. Each is having of length n. Okay. So total strings, how many you are having? N into n, n square. N strings you are having. Each is having length n. So total string is going to n square. No? So just to move one level up, that whatever strings it will have, it will take that only as time complexity n square, here n square, here n square, and here height of the tree is going to be log n. So total time complexity is going to your n square log n. So total time complexity is going to your n square log n. Sorted नहीं है तो merge कर ही नहीं सकते. If it is not a sorted, because in merge procedure we can apply merge only if the list is a sorted. If two list is a sorted list, then only we can apply the merge procedure. This is if two list is a sorted list, then only we can apply the merge procedure. So overall time complexity. So let me write. So this is a gate question. So what merge sort is using? Divide and conquer. Divide and conquer. So this is a algorithm way. Okay, so which way you are using divide and conquer. So merge sort uses divide and conquer. So this is your gate question. Okay, this is your gate question, divide and conquer technique. Okay, now next is your gate question. Now I want that you people give me the answer for merging. I am saying for merging. Okay, for merging two sorted list. See, now if you have understood everything, now you can answer all the questions that whatever I will ask. For merging two sorted list, each of size m and n. What is the what is the what is the time merging two list? I am saying of size m and n. Okay, Bhaskar, see here, m and n size is here m and n. Okay, what is the total time taken? What is the total time taken? See the question first. See the question. What is the total time taken? So for merging two sorted lists, each of size m and n. One list is having a size of m, another list is having a size of n. Now you have to merge into one sorted list which is going to have size m plus n. So just to move one element here, you need to do one comparison, one copy. So to move m plus a element, you have to do m plus comparison and m plus n copy. So time complexity is going to m plus n. Very good, everyone. Very good, Subham. Very good. So time complexity is big of m plus. So is it required? Explanation is required. Let me write. So to write to write one element into the array. So you write fast. To write one element into the array, we need one comparison. And one copy. So to write n plus m element, we need n plus m comparison and n plus m copy. Okay, so time complexity. So overall time complexity is going to your big of n plus m plus big of n plus m. That is going to be 2 of n plus m. That is going to your 2 into n plus m that is going to your big O of n. Okay. Now next and the last question of your gate. Is it done? Is it clear to everyone? Now we are going to see another gate question. Is it done? Please comment. Is it done to everyone? So this is the explanation. Please comment. Bhaskar is saying yes, sir. So this is the last question. Now see, this is again your gate question. Gate question, gate they have asked. Last question. This is the last question for today's session. An array is given. An array is given like 20, 47, 15. So I require some more space. An array is given like 20, 47, 15, 8, 9, 4, 40, 30, 12, then 17. And you have to apply here and apply two-way merging and apply two-way merging. Two-way merging we have to do. So after second pass, what is the least they are asking? Means this is the least they have given an array. They are asking you that after first time you will apply this on merge here, then second time you apply this merge on this list. So after second pass, what is going to be the least? Am I clear? So this is after you apply the merge here. So you apply the merge two times. So after second pass, what is going to? So when you will apply the two-way merging, so 20. This is the first pass. In first pass, you are going to get here 20, 27, sorry, 47. They are asking after second pass. Okay. After applying two times, what is going to be the least? So 47. Then these two you are going to do. So you are going to get here 8, then 15 because this is smaller. Then these two you are going to do. You are going to get 4, then 9. Then these two you are going to do. You are going to get here 30, then 40. Then these two you are going to do. Here you are going to get 12, then 17. Then second pass. Then this is the answer. After applying second time, what is the least is contained. So first is going to have 8, then 15, then 20, then 47. Because this you are going to do. Then two-way merging is there. You are always going to take two list. So 4, then 9, then 30, then 40. The thing is there that since this list is having only, there is no other element to merge. So you will write it is as it is. So 12 and 17. So your answer is 8, 15, 20, 47, then 4, 9, 30, 40, 12, 17. Yeah, correct. After two-way, this is the list. Am I clear to everyone? After second pass, this is the list. So in gate exam, they asked that this is the array and you are going to use two-way merging. After second pass, how the array will look like? So after second pass, the array will look like this. Okay, after second pass, the array will look like this. Am I clear to all of you? In any place, if you are having any doubt in anywhere, you have any issue, you can ask me. Never hesitate. If whatever today I have taught you in any place, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Whatever is your doubt, now we'll take your doubt because your session is complete. Means whatever that I have taught to today to teach, that I have completed. Okay.